Hi guys, marhaban. Welcome to my channel. That is the best place for you to learn the modern standard Arabic language as well as the Iraqi dialect if you wish so. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Learn Arabic with Soraya. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and do turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming lessons that I post for you here every week. Now, let's go to today's lesson. Yalla. So today I'm going to teach you how to say how are you in Iraqi dialect. Now, you know, Iraqi dialect or the Iraqi Arabic or the Iraqi colloquium, you can call it however you want, it's sometimes completely different from the modern Arabic standard language. And now you will see the reality of that. So how do we say in Iraqi, how are you? We say shlonek, shlonek, shlonek. If we are speaking to male. If we speak to a female, then we say shlonich, 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 shlonek, shlonich. As you can hear, the only difference between the female and the male is the last letter. When we speak to a man, we say shlonek with k, and when we speak to female, then we say shlonich with ch. Ch like in chair or cha-cha. As you already know, Arabic language or the official Arabic alphabet doesn't have the letter ch, but in the Iraqi language or the Iraqi Arabic, we do use ch very often, okay? And this is one of the cases. So, shlonek for male, shlonich for female. Now, the typical answer would be like if I just want to say, okay, I'm fine, I'm good, it's okay, everything is fine, I will say, ani zene, ani zene, which means ani, me, zene means good, I'm good. However, if I'm a man, then my answer would be ani zien, ani zien. Again, there is a difference in the last word. We don't say zene for male, we say zien. So it would be for the female, ani zene, for male, ani zien. Now let's go back to the question, how are you? Shlonek. This one word actually is combined of three words together, and let me break it down for you. So let's start with the first, it's the sh. Now sh alone by itself means nothing. However, it is an abbreviation from the word shinu. In Iraqi Arabic it means what? What? Shinu. So that's the sh. Then we have the word lon. Lon in Iraqi means color. Lon, color. And the K at the end means you men. So basically, if you want to translate it, we will say, what does it mean? Shlonek, it means, what is your color, you men? Okay, what is your color, you men? Now, is it logic? Where is the logic behind that? Well, maybe there is some kind of logic because basically we are asking, what is your mood? What is the color of your mood today, you men? Shinu lonek. Okay? So this is how we say in Iraqi, how are you? Shlonek for male, shlonich for female. Okay? And basically, that's it. So now we learned how to say, how are you in Iraqi Arabic and how to respond. Ani zene if I'm a woman, ani zen if I am a man. Now, just let me tell you how do we say the same question in the modern standard Arabic language, so you can see how big the difference is between the two languages. Okay, in the modern Arabic standard language, when we want to ask somebody, we will say kayfa haluka, kayfa haluka for male, and kayfa haluki for female. So we have the modern standard Arabic, kayfa haluka, and then we have the Iraqi Arabic, shlonek. Okay? So it sounds like two completely different languages, right? Okay, but this is the Iraqi Arabic language. I told you it's sometimes very different from the modern standard Arabic. So that's today. lesson. Thank you so much. Shukran for listening. And if you like, hit the thumb up and do not forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming lessons that I'm posting for you here every week. And I see you soon. Bye. مع السلامة.